LYRA Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. This is super interesting. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video. Briefly explaining, I'm the only guy that's done 40,000 videos documented on this YouTube space regarding stocks. 5 years every single day, 40,000 videos have been made, right? So in this particular instance, I'm trying to be not the pessimist, but it's just the truth that it's one heck of a bearish market, and the likelihood that this thing just kind of keeps melting, it's quite high for me. Like, we can argue that this could be the range, but honestly, mine again is very subjective, and I'm sticking even with the high time from there. The longer side, the likelihood that this switch just keeps melting is high. So I'm not going to go against it. I mean, I think that it's just not the great timing to really trade either bearish or bullish here, especially not bullish, right? For me to be bullish, again, this is just for me, I must see breaks above, say, 17 cents. Other than that, I really would not bother. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.